I'm going to 100kclublive.com and I'm going to go see Tony the Close. Oh my God, I gotta have. Wait, golly, do you see her, bro? I'm trying to change your life, baby.
Change my life? Look what we're doing.
What's your dreams? Because it seems like you don't have a plan other than cleaning these damn floors.
Well, I have a plan too, and it does not include working here.
But I'm saying, you gonna let me take you out? You know, we gotta start somewhere.
Take me out where? Oh, I got big plans, Dusty.
You calling me Dusty, but you here with me. How
Look,
that
I
work?
know how much you make here, and it's definitely not enough.
It don't even matter how much we make, it'll be ours. Well, put our money together, shit, it'll be enough. I pay for mine, you pay for yours.
50-50.
I'm trying to change the situation, make your life a little bit better, baby.
I don't like that.
Stop mopping these floors. Let me get your life right.
No, that does not sound exciting. How you gonna change my life?
Let me go get this 100K real fast. I holler at you. You miss it, yeah, 100K real
100K.
fast. Yeah, I'm gonna get this 100K real fast.
How you gonna get 100K?
Watch me.
Okay, well, don't come back till you get it.
Got you.
Bye, Dusty.
Yo, fam, I'm sitting at work, man. I about lost my mind. We got a new girl in here. This girl like Beyonce. Yeah, man, hey, listen. But she tried to curb me though, like for real. I told her, I was like, yo, let me help you improve your situation. She told me I was dusty. I ain't got enough money. Yeah, bro, we gotta find a way to make 100K real fast. Oh, I heard about him. Yeah, let me go check bro out. 100K real fast. I gotta get to the computer, man. I gotta make 100K real fast. Okay, man. How to make 100K real quick. What's up, man? I heard a lot of good stuff about you. People told me, man, you the credit king, and you can help me get to 100K real fast. And then I met this girl. Yo, she's amazing. Hey, look, so let me give you a play. You want to make 100K real fast? I can help you. See, my name is Him5000, and what I do is I'm a financial strategist, and I'm gonna give you the play on how you can finesse the system so you can actually win. I'm gonna give you a little strategy. You got to fill out an application to get your funding. Don't put that you make 30,000. See, that like to get them white folks money, you got to put $265,000. I only make $30,000 a year. I know you only make 30. 265,000. You sure, Mr. 5,000? This is 100% legal? Yeah, it's perfectly legal. It's some folks' money, so you can go out there, you can gamble, do whatever you want to, and you know, yeah, that's some folks' money. Fuck their money. Man, I want to get 100K real fast, but that's yes, trust me. I know you're a little nervous and it seems like this, but I got people all over the country doing the same thing too, and it doesn't matter. I ain't gonna trust that shit. I, Mr. Rich, Mr. Swaggy in real life, and Marcus Garvey and the ancestors told me to come show you today how you can make 100K real fast. See, it is I, Young Malcolm, and I have been here sent by our ancestors to uplift the community and show you exactly how to make 100K real fast. And how you can do this too, even though I don't really do it in real life, but I say real life a lot. You can do this in real life. As a community, when we build this all together, you guys are gonna make me rich and you ain't gonna get shit in real life. It's because I know I can just like write down some shit. You guys ain't really gonna know what I'm talking about, but it's gonna look like I know what I'm talking about and I'm gonna be an industry expert by showing you this. So I'm gonna show you how you can invest with me 100K and how I can make what you're gonna do is you're gonna invest with me in Truff. See, this Truff Fund is going to be all about building the community. We're going to do a lot of things. I mean, not Tulsa, but we're not going to invest in Tulsa, but we're going to we're going to do an investment, okay? You're going to invest 100,000. I, as the industry expert, and I know you know very little about this space, I'm going to be able to invest this money for you, and then I'll pay you dividends over the years. It's not going to be a lot of money. I'm going to give you a little bit just so you can confuse you, but it's going to take a little bit of time for you guys to ever receive or even get any money from me, but more importantly, I'm going to take a lion's share. So let's talk about the fees, management fees. First, I'm going to get $97,000 $999. This is my fee out of your 100,000. It's not that big of a deal, but I'm an expert and I'm going to show you how we can make more money for the community in real life. The dream, and I'm young Malcolm, and like one thing about it with being red, I mean, I was kind of acting like red in my past. Like I took a little advantage of some people and I took some, but that's another story. And I know I screwed over Tony the closer, but see, what happened for real is I wanted to do what Tony was doing. Because I couldn't pop my stuff off, I fucked him over. Never mind. You're going to invest in Truff, $100,000, my management fee is $97,999. I'm gonna pay you dividends, and we're gonna have dividend day. You will get a check for $12.77, one payment over the course of the first 3 years of the investment. $1 is all we have left after we pay out some management fees and we grow and we do all this stuff together in real life. Essentially what's gonna happen is I'm gonna file for bankruptcy, you're not gonna get anything, and I just showed you really quickly how I can make 100K real fast in real life. It's your boy Young Malcolm, Mr. Rich Swaggy, finest of finest. The movement for the culture, for the people. The man has been holding us back in real life, and I'll see you at Booby Trap on the river. Bro, man, listen, man. Hey, bro, you told me about a couple of them dudes. I went to the 5,000 dude. Oh man, he told me to put 265,000 on the credit app. 265,000. Man, I'm not trying to go to jail. And then the other dude, Mr. Rich that you told me about, man, dude was talking about give him 100,000 in Truff. You invest $100,000 with me. It's management fees. I'm gonna get $97,999. This is my fee out of your 100,000. He gonna take all the fee. Man, listen, I just need somebody legit. No, listen, bro, I can't deal with man, this dude, I thought it was for the culture. Sitting there looking at, bro, this man was sitting there talking all fast. Dude was like, literally, yo, yeah, I have my fees, and I'm like, no, bro, I can't do that. I'm going to Miami. Listen, man, I'm not about to let this dude get me over on me. Tony the Closer is having a live event August 4th through the 7th. I'm going to 100kclublive.com right now. I'm getting my seat, man. I've had enough of this. I really need a bag. I'm trying to get shorty, and they messing me up, man. They got all this other stuff going on, man. I ain't trying to risk my freedom and get my money scammed away from me just to be able to get a little bit of money. I need to make 100K real fast, and they making it hard on me. Yo, I'm going to 100kclublive.com, and I'm going to go see Tony the Closer in Miami.